Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check battery level for your earbuds CMF Buds Pro 2 on your iPhone. And basically we have a few options how to check it. The first one, we can create a widget. So press and hold at empty space, then click Editor Plus at the left top, Add Widget. Now scroll down and you need to find batteries. In the third line right here we have it, tap on it, and here's 3 presets. Select the best one for you and then click Add Widget. And you can check battery percentages right here anytime, but make sure that your earbuds is turned on and connected to your phone. Now, the second option and the better option is to use Nothing application. So you need to open Nothing X application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application, and you will see it here. Now, right here we can check battery percentages for the left and right earbuds, and also for the charging case. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!